How to change PayPal account type from business to personal. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your PayPal account type from business to personal. First, log in to your PayPal account. To change your business account to a personal account, click the Profile tab in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you will find your name, email address, and profile picture displayed together. Here, click Account Settings at the bottom of the page. After that, click on My Account at the bottom of the page. Then, click on Profile, then click on My Account. You should see a link that says Update Account Info. Click it to start with a PayPal account and click Update Account Info in the bottom left corner. To change your PayPal business account to personal, you will need to log in to your account and click on Update Account Info. You will be taken to a page where you can update your account information. Then, enter your personal information and agree to the terms of service before saving changes. Enter your new information and click Change Account Type. After entering your information and clicking Change Account Type, confirm the change using the code sent via email. After that, your business account will be converted into a personal one. To change your account type, log in to PayPal and click Profile. In the left-hand navigation bar, select More Options and then choose Account Settings. Remove any credit or debit card linked to your account before switching to a personal account. To do this, click on Payment Methods under My Money on the left side of the screen. Now click on either credit card or debit card next to your name at the top of each section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.